What up? Alright guys, so we're at Empire Harley Davidson, New Rochelle, New York. We're about to take a nice little test ride on this little beauty right here. Oh, she is gorgeous. I was originally supposed to come out today and test ride the Street Bob, but they actually sold their last one, unfortunately, which I found pretty weird. But due to the fact that it's the end of the year already, they're gonna be coming in with their 2020s in soon. So I'm gonna be going out with Alex here. He has a Sport Glide. I'm gonna be in this beauty here, Harley Davidson Heritage. Wow, she purrs. Good. Yeah. This is my first time on a bike this size. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, let me tell you a little bit about myself real quick. I currently own a 2019 Iron Sportster, which I love. So if you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button. It's going to notify you anytime I upload a new video. Man, I'm super excited to be riding this Heritage right here. I really like this bike a lot. I actually got to do a part 2 to the bikes that I would trade for my Iron 883. I definitely got to upgrade that. If you saw that video from a month or two ago, I totally changed my mind on everything, on every bike. So I'm going to be doing one. And this bike here is actually one of the new ones on the list. Oh my God. This bike has pep. Wow. Wow. Okay. So this one here is actually a pre-owned bike. It's already broken in. Feels amazing. I'm gonna go over the controls real quick. It's your normal controls like your every other Harley. You have your cutoff switch right here, your on button there. You have your turn signals on each side, left and right, your horn, your toggle knob here, which you're gonna be able to see your mileage and everything else here down here on the odometer. Beautiful odometer, by the way. Very nice. This bike also comes with cruise control, which is amazing. Obviously it has the screen here, which is detachable, which is amazing. Another big reason why I really like this bike is because the windscreen is very easy to come off. The bags on the side come off, and then you can literally just strip down the bike to bare bone, you know? So you kind of really have two bikes in one. That's why I'm so interested in this bike. So if I'm going to take a longer trip, I'll put the bags on, I'll put the windscreen on, and if I just wanted to cruise around town or, you know, go to work or whatever it is that I'm going to use it for, then I'll strip it down. And the bike stripped down looks amazing. Oh my God, it sounds amazing. Ergonomics of everything is really nice. The bars, the way the tall bars are set up is really comfortable. I'm 5'7", and I'm able to flat foot, almost able to flat foot this bike. So the seating is really low. The seat itself is really comfortable. And since I'm not that much of a taller ride, my shoulders are a little above the bars, so which gives me a pretty comfortable ride. Man, I really want to open this up. Wow. And it just, every gear here changes and switches so smooth. So if you ever ridden a Sportster, you know that anytime you switch gears, it gives you that very positive click, and you know it literally tells you, hey, I'm in gear now. This is a little more smoother. This switching gears on this bike is kind of like cutting through butter. It's just smooth and nice. The whole ride is very comfortable. Very minute vibrations from the engine. Totally different ride from my Iron. It also comes with the LEDs in the headlight, which is amazing. And I believe the LEDs on the two extra exterior lights that it brings in the front, which once we do a little walk around the bike later, I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I've never ridden a bike that has a windscreen before, and it's pretty cool, man. It stops a lot of the wind. I mean, right now, you know, we're cruising at a 30, so I'm not really getting that much wind. My boy Alex here taking it kind of slow. But the screen is literally leveled a little right below my eyes, so it's not getting in my way. It's not impairing my vision or anything like that. I'm switching down now, like, and you know, like you do get that positive feel when you switch, that clank, but it's so smooth. I just love the sound this bike makes. It just has so much power. I love it. This is the 107, by the way, not the 114. I wouldn't be I wouldn't want a 114, honestly. I think this, I don't need all that power. The 107 is plenty for me. Bro, this is like butter. It's like butter, man.
Go for it. You can feel it.
All right. Oh man, it's such a beautiful day today too. Blue skies, clear skies, baby. I would be so tempted to change my bike for this bike, man. Like, I would be so tempted. This is such a beauty, man. The comfort of this ride is just amazing. This seat, it has like a gel padding, so any little bumps that I'm hitting on the road, I'm not really feeling. Number one, the suspension is awesome, and number two, the seat is just like a cloud. It's like I'm sitting on a cushy pillow. I love it. Nobody? Hey, City Island, maybe we should go have some shrimp. Some shrimp over here in City Island. Let me see if I could lean this over a little more. I didn't really get to lean it that much, but it has good clearance. All right, guy, come on. Can we work here or what? Can we work or what? I want to open this up. So originally I was supposed to come out today and ride the Street Bob, which is, I think, my number one. I don't know if I'm going to say it is my number one or was my number one now after riding this, but the Street Bob was my number one pick for the bike that I would get, you know, because it's such a cool looking bike. It's basically the Iron on steroids. And they sold their last bike today, man, their last Street Bob. So fortunately, I didn't get to ride it. So I'm gonna wait around because I do want to test ride that bike. But man, now after riding this, I really don't know if I want to test ride another bike in the world. This is how good this bike is. I really don't want to ride another bike after this. Like, if I didn't have a bike and I came out here today to test ride the bikes that I wanted, I would just say, hey, you know what? This is the one right here, right now. This is the one. Bro, if I came out today, if I didn't have my bike today, if I was ready to change my bike in today, I think this would be it.
Yeah. You get the best of both worlds.
It's just so smooth, bro.
Yeah. Press here.
Oh, okay.
And you can take these off by just taking these two bolts off. Take it off.
Right.
Put the bolts back on, and you're good.
Man, this.
You saw how much I took off on this thing.
Yeah. This right here, though, is a beauty.
Yeah.
Sounds nice. Sounds beautiful. Oh my God. Woo! Wow. Wow. Okay. I just woke up. This Sport Glide is amazing. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. All right, so I just finished test riding the Harley Davidson Heritage right there, which Alex is riding right now. That bike is just amazing. I already let you guys know my thoughts. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, hit that bell button. It's gonna notify you anytime I upload a new video. The next video is gonna be on this bad boy right here, the Sport Glide. So tune in for that. And like always, guys, ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace. Oh my God.